Thanks for tuning in to another episode of our ongoing series about the enslaved community in 1843. Today we'll continue our discussion of the James and Dinah Baum home. A second family occupied the same dwelling, led by 24-year-old Fred Littlejohn, his 23-year-old wife Naomi Bennett, and their newborn daughter Queen Anne. They likely lived with the Baums because Naomi was Dinah's sister. Both were the daughters of Stephen and Eve Bennett, with Naomi being the younger of the two. Although she was born at Somerset Place, her husband Fred was not. He was born in Edenton, the oldest son of Peter and Elsie Littlejohn. Fred was sent to Somerset Place in 1830, where he was forced to labor as one of 3 enslaved gardeners who maintained the personal gardens of Josiah III and Mary Collins. There he cultivated flowers and ornamental plants, fruit trees, vegetables, and herbs. After his arrival on the plantation, Fred married Naomi, and the couple had a total of 8 children, 4 of whom survived into adulthood. Their oldest child, Queen Anne, was born in 1842. With the outbreak of the Civil War 2 decades later, the Albemarle region quickly came under control of the Union, and the Collins family fled west behind Confederate lines. When Federal soldiers visited the plantation in the summer of 1862, Fred took the opportunity to resist his enslavers and assert more control over his life. As the resident minister reported, Fred, quote, "did not behave properly. I ordered him to remain in the garden in order that he might take care of the fruit and report to me if the soldiers stole any. Instead of remaining where I had placed him and where he belonged, he went down to the mill and, as William Penny said, was the first to bridle the horses for the Yankees. It is my opinion that he should be severely punished, not only for his disobedience, but also because he was very impudent to me when I remonstrated with him about his conduct." End quote. The minister later reported that Fred continued to defy authority, although his specific actions or behavior were not recorded. Likely, in consequence of his actions, Fred, Naomi, and their surviving children were included in the 171 enslaved persons taken to Franklin County to be out of reach of the Union and under closer supervision of the Collins family. But even there, the Littlejohn family defied their enslavers. 2 of Fred and Naomi's children attempted to escape to freedom in 1863, although they were ultimately captured. The family later returned to Somerset Place after emancipation, and Naomi passed away by 1870. Fred later remarried to Lettice Collins, and they had 2 children of their own. He died sometime between 1880 and 1900. As for Fred and Naomi's oldest child, Queen Anne, she married William Vaughan in 1866, but the 1870 census indicates that she had a mental or physical disability. The couple ultimately had 12 children before Queen Anne's death after 1900. To learn more about the Littlejohn family, check out Kathy's video linked here. You can also visit us during our normal operating hours, Tuesday through Saturday from 9 to 5, to uncover more of the site's history. Until next time, thanks for watching.